28th problem. Prove that 1 by secant A plus tan A minus 1 by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 by secant A minus tan A. So LHS, they told to prove that now. We will take problem completely. We will do, instead of taking LHS and RHS, at a stretch we will do 1 by secant A plus tan A minus 1 by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 by secant A minus tan A. Now, solution given. What is given we have written. Now bring 1 by secant A plus tan A minus, bring this side, plus we may call as secant A minus tan A. Both are same type, bring one side and bring this 1 by cos A. Which one is left side? Bring right side. Minus becomes plus. Anyway you can solve. We want to prove that, that's all. Now take LCM. Here the LCM is secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A. So secant A plus tan A goes secant A minus tan A. So secant A minus tan A plus secant A minus tan A goes secant A plus. So for plus no need bracket. If minus is there, compulsory you have to write bracket. So secant A plus tan A is equal to, here cos A is LCM, cos A. So cos A goes in cos A one time, 1 ones are 1, plus again cos A goes in cos A one time, 1 ones are 1. Now minus tan A plus tan A get cancelled. Secant A plus secant A is 2 secant A. 2 secant A by, denominator is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. You know this formula. What is that formula? Is equal to A square minus B square. So secant square A minus tan square A. Tan square A. We know the formula for secant square A minus tan square A. Here is equal to 2 by cos A, as it is. Cos A. Now secant square A minus tan square A 1. So write that one. 2 secant A by 1. How we got identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Identity, you have to mention compulsory. We are using this identity. Are you able to follow? So what all we are using, you have to show. You have to write compulsory. By 1 is equal to, here you can write 2 into 1 by cos A. 2 by cos A means 2 into 1 by cos A. Now if you write 1 or not writing 1 also no problem. So here 2 secant A is equal to 2, 1 by cos means secant A. So LHS is equal to RHS. Same answer we got. LHS how much we got? RHS also same answer. So hence proved. Write that word. Hence proved. They told to prove that. We have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. And write those identity and that formula also. 30th problem. Prove that cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1 by sin A into cos A. Take LHS. What is LHS given? Cot A minus tan A. What is cot A? Cos A by sin A. And what is tan A? Sin A by cos A. So, whenever addition or subtraction, we use method of LCM. So, sin A into cos A. Sin A how many times goes means cos A times. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Minus is there. Cos A how many times goes? Sin A times. Sin A into sin A, sin square A. This is not identity. Sin cos square A plus sin square A means 1. But here minus is there. So, denominator we got. Numerator we have to get. Change this one. What is that one? In the place of sin square A, cos square A as it is, right? In the place of sin square A, 1 minus cos square A. From where we got this one? From identity we got. What is that identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So, in the place of sin theta we are writing, in the place of sin square theta, replace 1 minus cos square. Here A is there, you write A. Denominator as it is, because already we got denominator. Sin A into cos A. Now send minus inside the bracket. That is equal to cos square A minus into plus minus 1. Minus into minus plus cos square A. Cos square A. Denominator sin A into cos A. Now cos square A plus cos square A how much? 2 cos square A. 2 cos square A minus 1 by sin A into cos A as it is. Sin A into cos A. Where we started? Near LHS we started. And where we reach? Near RHS we reach. Near RHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. We have proved now, compulsory write this word, hence proved. So this is the way of solving this problem. Write that identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta, this is identity. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. We have replaced this one. So, this is the way of solving the problem. 32 problem. Prove that square root of 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A is equal to secant A minus tan A. Take LHS. What is LHS? Square root of 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Denominator make it rational. 1 plus sin A rationalizing factor is 1 minus 1 plus, quite opposite. So square root of 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Rationalizing factor 1 minus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Now numerator became 1 minus sin A whole square. A minus B into A minus B, A minus B whole square. And denominator A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. 1 square minus sin square A. Write that formula, what we are using. A minus B into A minus B is equal to A minus B whole square. In the same way, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So, now 1 square means 1 only. 1 minus cos sin square is cos square. So, that is equal to square root of 1 minus sin A whole square as it is you write. Don't expand. By 1 square means 1 only. 1 minus sin square is cos square. This we got from identities. Sin square theta minus cos plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We want cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So, in the place of sin square theta we are writing. This is called as identity. 3 identities are there. In that this is the first one. Now, square root is there. In square root, square and square root cancel. 1 will come. What is that one? 1 minus sin A cos square, 1 cos will come outside. Square and square root cancels. Now separate it. 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Now 1 by cos means what? Secant A minus sin A by cos A means tan A. Where we started? Near LHS we started and we came to RHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the way of solving the problem. And what all identities we have used, you have to mention compulsory. Those we have used algebraic formulas and again one identity. Write that word, hence proved. 34th problem. Prove that cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A is equal to cos A plus sin A. Take LHS. What is LHS? Cos A by 1 minus tan A. Keep in a bracket. Plus sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A. Put in a bracket. Now cos A by 1 by tan we can write as sin A by cos A. Change that one. Put in a bracket. Plus sin square A as it is and sin A minus cos A also as it is. Don't change. Only tan we are going to change. Now that is equal to cos A by, now you have to take LCM. In denominator LCM is cos A. Cos A LCM. 1 cos A is cos A. Minus cos A goes cos A one time, 1 sin A is sin A. Sin A. Now close the bracket. This one as it is. Sin square A by sin A minus cos A. Now reciprocal, whenever a fraction is there in the denominator becomes reciprocal. So cos A goes to cos A into cos A, cos square A. So cos A into cos A, cos square A. Cos square A. Next, cos A minus sin A. As denominator it will be in denominator only. Cos A minus sin A. Now here you see cos A minus sin A is there. Here sin A minus cos A is there. Make it reverse. When we are writing opposite, sin will become also opposite. Plus becomes minus. Keep in mind. Suppose minus is there, it becomes plus. Quite opposite. For plus it won't change, but for minus it will change. Here also sin square A as it is, you write. But here I am changing. Minus cos A becomes plus cos A. And plus sin A becomes minus sin A. Are you able to follow? So, when you are changing like this, the sign will change. Keep in mind. The sign will change. Which sign? What sign will be there between these two fractions? Plus is there means it becomes minus. Minus is there means this, if you remember, the whole problem completes. Now, common denominator. So, what is LCM means? Cos A minus sin A is LCM. Cos A minus sin A is LCM. You can write directly numerator because denominators are same. So cos square A minus sin square A. Numerator is in which formula means A square minus B square. We can write as A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So, numerator I am going to write as cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A. A plus B into A minus B by denominator cos A minus sin A. Now, cos A minus sin A cancels, cos A minus sin A cancels. What is remaining? Cos A plus sin A. Cos A plus sin A what? Is equal to RHS. Hence proved. We started near LHS and came and proved RHS. So, hence proved. So, the formula what we use here means A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, keep in A, otherwise it will mix, separate it. That is the formula we used in this problem. 36th problem. Prove that sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to secant theta plus cosecant theta. Take LHS. What is LHS given? Sin theta plus cos theta. Put in a bracket into tan theta plus cot theta. That is equal to sin theta plus cos theta as it is. You are going to write into tan theta means sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Here you have to change. Now, sin theta plus cos theta as it is. Don't change, nothing. Same. But here you have to take LCM, fractions. Cos theta, sin theta will be the LCM. Cos theta goes sin theta times. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Plus is there, right plus. Sin theta goes in sin theta, here cos theta times. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So, we know formula. Here theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, how much? Is equal to 1. So, this is called identity. Already we know. Compulsory you have to mention. Now, that is equal to sin theta plus cos theta as it is. Sin theta plus cos theta as it is. Now, here we are going to write 1 because identity divided by cos theta into sin theta. Are you able to follow? Now multiply. 1 into sin theta plus cos theta is sin theta plus cos theta. One table everybody knows. So sin theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now separate sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Plus is there, right? Plus cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Now sin theta goes in sin theta one time. Cos theta goes in cos theta one time. That is equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta. 1 by cos means how much? Secant theta. 1 by cos means secant theta. And 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta. Where we started? LHS. Where we reach is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. We have proved. Here we used one identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And one more thing. 1 by cos means secant, 1 by sin means cosecant. So secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to RHS. Hence proved. 38th problem. Prove that square root of secant square A plus cosecant square A is equal to tan A plus cot A. Take LHS. What is LHS given? Square root of secant square A plus cosecant square A. Cosecant square A. Now we know the formulas here. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Now in the place of secant square A, we can write as 1 plus tan square A. This is one identity. Next identity is cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. These two very important identities. Identity, not identities, because two identities we are using here. Keep in mind. Now in the place of secant square A, I am writing 1 plus tan square A. And cosecant square A plus 1 plus cot square A. We are writing. Now arrange in order. Square root of tan square A plus cot square A plus 1 plus 1 how much? 2. This all will done. Now that is equal to square root of tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 only. Why I wrote 1 means in that one place I am going to replace. In one place I am going to replace. All of you see carefully. Tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into tan A into cot A. This is not identity. Tan A into cot A is 1. We have learned. Tan A, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. How? Tan theta, we can write cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So tan theta goes one time. 1 ones are 1. This also we have learned. Sin theta into cosecant theta 1. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So in this one place I have written this one. Y means now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Means a plus b whole square formula. Means tan a plus cot a whole square formula. Whole square formula. It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square formula. Now square and square root get cancelled. What will be coming outside means tan a plus cot a. Where we have started? Near LHS. Now where we have reached is equal to RHS. RHS. So hence proved. The word hence proved. And what we have used those formulas, identities, you have to mention compulsory. That is part and parcel of the problem. Okay. 39th problem. Prove that tan a plus cot a into cosecant a minus sin a into secant a minus cos a is equal to 1. So LHS, what is given? LHS tan a plus cot a into cosecant a minus sin a into secant a minus cos a. Now write tan as sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a. And cot a is cos a by sin a. Into cosecant you can write as 1 by sin a. 1 by sin a minus sin a. Close the bracket. Secant a as 1 by cos a minus cos a. Now take LCM here. Here LCM is cos a into sin a. Cos a goes sin a times. Sin a into sin a, sin square a plus sin a goes cos a times. Cos into cos, cos square a. Put in a bracket. Next, here also take LCM. Sin a is LCM. 1 ones are 1 minus sin a into sin a, sin square a. Next, here cos LCM. Cos a is LCM. 1 ones are 1 only minus cos a into cos a, cos square a. Now here we are getting one identity. With one identity we are going to do all these problems. What is that identity means? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We have obtained from that identity all this. We are going to apply this one, this identity. Now 1 by cos a into sin a. 1 by here into 1 by sin square means cos square a. Cos square a by sin a into 1 minus cos square means sin square. Sin square a by cos a. Now multiply. In numerator cos square a into sin square a. Cos square a into sin square a. In numerator. In denominator cos a into cos a, cos square a into sin a into sin a, sin square a. Now cos square a in cos square a one time it goes, sin square a in sin square a one time it goes. 1 ones are 1. Where we have started? near LHS, and where we have reached RHS. How much we got? 1. So we have proved. So hence proved. Write that word. Hence proved. Write those identities. Compulsory.